Sure, essential oils are popular now. But did you know that they've been used since ancient times? There are almost 200 references to oils in the Bible, as well as many in other ancient texts. In fact, some modern medicines are inspired by the healing properties of plants, which are concentrated in their oils. Essential oils are so potent because it often takes many pounds of leaves or flowers to produce a few ounces of precious oil. Sometimes they seem expensive, but just a few drops are all that are needed for medicinal purposes. Today, we're going to share 11 uses for one of the most popular essential oils, lavender oil. 1. Relaxation. Lavender oil is most known for its calming properties and has been shown to reduce anxiety and panic. To use it, either add a few drops of 100% pure essential oil to your diffuser and diffuse for half an hour, or sprinkle a few drops onto your palms, rub hands together and inhale. 2. Headache remedy. Have a stubborn headache? Try mixing 1 teaspoon of a lightly scented carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil, with 2 drops of pure lavender oil or 1 drop of lavender and 1 drop of pure peppermint oil, then rub on temples. 3. Cleaning. Lavender is a mild disinfectant, so it makes a great cleaning spray. Simply mix 1 cup vinegar, 3/4 cup water, 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol, 10 drops of lavender essential oil and 5 drops of a citrus essential oil together in a spray bottle. This is an excellent cleaner for most surfaces, however do not use on granite or natural stone due to the acidity of the vinegar. 4. Hair growth. Lavender can improve circulation to the scalp, so it can improve the delivery of nutrients to your hair follicles. Mix about 5 drops of pure lavender oil with 2 tablespoons of a non-comedogenic carrier such as pumpkin seed oil or apricot kernel oil. Shake well and apply sparingly to scalp once or twice per week. Massage in, let sit for a few minutes, and then wash your hair as usual. 5. Air freshener. In a spray bottle, combine 30 drops of lavender oil with 5 drops of a different essential oil. Oils that pair well would be lemon, rosemary, sage, or orange. Then add 3 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Shake well. Make sure to use the mist or spray setting on your bottle when freshening the air in your rooms. Wait a minute. Are you enjoying 11 lavender essential oil uses? If so, please subscribe to Happy Facts channel where we celebrate the positive and leave the drama behind. Then, click the bell icon so that you'll be first to know when we upload new videos. Now back to 11. Essential lavender oil uses. 6. Skin soother. Since lavender is anti-inflammatory, it can be dabbed onto areas of the skin that are inflamed or suffering from acne. Just mix a few drops with a natural astringent, such as witch hazel, and apply to the area with a cotton ball. 7. Menstrual pain reliever. See tip number 2 and use the same recipe to rub onto your abdominal area. 8. Massage oil. Rub away the stress by blending 3 drops of lavender with each teaspoon of carrier oil. Store in a dark-colored bottle in a cool place until ready to use. 9. Cooking. Yes, food-grade lavender oil and flowers can be added to drinks, cake batter, cookie dough, and breads. They are strongly flavored, so experiment by adding 1 or 2 drops or teaspoons of flowers to your favorite recipes. 10. Laundry helper. Instead of using chemical-laden fabric softeners, add 10 drops lavender oil with 1/2 cup vinegar at the start of your washing machine's rinse cycle, or pour into your washer's fabric softener tray. This mixture will soften and scent clothes naturally. 11. Finally, lavender oil promotes sleep. Remember tip number 1? Use the same recipe to diffuse at bedtime for 30 minutes to 1 hour to help get some shut-eye. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share on social media. Subscribe to Happy Facts channel for more great videos.